Ooh, that's my face. Ha, my face. Distributor. I'm going to open it up and have a look what it looks like inside, because we may or may not rebuild it, or we may just replace it, because I found out Summit sells them for pretty cheap. If I get rid of that. And that. Come on. Oh, isn't that handy? It's kind of boggling that one of them's missing. Ah, yes. Someone's already had this apart. The screws are loose on the coil, so my guess is that it's actually bad. Or it's been replaced. Either way, I think I'm about to have a bad time. Okay.
Oh dear.
This is just as jacked up as I had expected. Well, that works. Sorta. God. Everything in here is so rusty. Mr. Little buddy. Oh, do you want to play distributors, little buddy? Oh, I'm going to cuddle you. Oh, you're shivering. My little buddy's shivering. Let me put you inside, little buddy. Oh. Right, I think I might just buy a new one. And what's that? Summit. Oh, this is a Summit HEI rebuild package with all of the electronics and goodies in it, because the old one is completely jacked. Pretty much all the guts of it were bad, like the reluctor is no good, so I have a new reluctor with a complete rebuild kit from Summit as well. So the vacuum can was no good as well. Pretty much everything was no good. What am I saying? This is a new adjustable vacuum can. Okay, so put the vacuum vents on. This guy's fully adjustable, so it's a new old stock reluctor for this. So this is going to go on here, and there's this little hole that goes on this guy as well. There we go. So that goes there. And out of the old parts is this little circlip. And so that's there. Just a thin layer to stop metal on metal contact. Freeze up this. That is good. And of course it needs to go in through here and give all of the shaft a bit of lubrication, especially around the bottom here. That and that. Get back together. There's no sound. Actually, it'll spin that way. In case you're a Chevy guy and watching this, all its distributors spin counterclockwise. So now I've got that done. So this will go into the cap. This is the radio suppressor. Just to compare technologies, this is an old-fashioned one. It's the original one that came with the car, well, with this distributor. This is the original one, and it's been replaced by this. Now, new reluctor, new vac advance, new module, new wiring harness, new suppressor. It's all screwed down. Hopefully it is all tight. Okay, now I'm going to put the advance mechanism in, which has a bunch of little tiny parts for me to lose. There we go. Okay, because an Olds distributor spins counterclockwise and not clockwise, the weights go in backwards and the cam is in backwards. These are medium weight springs, these are just whatever plates came in the Summit kit. So that's great. Okay. Next, I've got to put old rotor on here, which is hopefully just a straight drop. Anyway, then we drop this guy on and we're done, I guess. One fully rebuilt distributor. It's all plugged up. So, hopefully this works. And there is a nice little notch right here to show which one number 1 is. Oops, notch right here to show what number 1 is. That's pretty good.